Okay, let's get at it.
Woo! Yay, hiking.
Good morning. It is October 14th, 2021, day 135. We just left the Wilson Creek shelter, where we met up with our canary again from the other night, as well as a friendly section hiker. And it was a good night, and first night in a while that we had no sign of precipitation, and woke up to a very nice day today. We got 11.1 miles into the town of Daleville, and so it's a shortish day. Hopefully we'll be done before lunch. And not only is tonight a town night, tomorrow, 0 day. Yeah, so this will be our first 0 day in 3 weeks. We've had a couple, like when we came into Waynesboro, I guess, we had a nice short day in, but tomorrow will be our first official 0 in quite a while. And between here and there, I think we've got 3 climbs. The middle one I know is called like Fullhardt Knob. Okay, I say I know it's called. It's called something like Fullhardt Knob. That's the middle climb. I don't remember the first or the third one. I don't think they have names. They're just bumps in the road. So 3 climbs for about 6 miles, and then 5 miles downish into Daleville.
And we get to walk on Super 8.
And we walk right into town, and according to Melissa, we hang a left, and there's the Super 8 where we're staying. Yay, Super 8. And we don't get any promotional considerations from them either.
But no shuttle needed.
Yeah, so no shuttle needed. So that's a good thing, and it's supposedly in walking distance of the Kroger and the Three Little Pigs fat food place and Mexican place. So should be a good place to 0. Got a couple options for food, and supposedly a good resupply. Okay, we'll see you out there.
Yay, climbing.
That was a pretty good one.
So steep.
Okay, we're sub 5 till the end of the day. We just passed Fullhardt Knob, which was our high point of the day, and just headed down past the city of something or another.
Troutville?
Troutville.
Into the town of Daleville.
I would not want to live in Troutville. That, I'd petition to change the name, but that's just me. Daleville, okay, I'll accept that. See ya. I think that's what we just came down. Not too bad.
Woo!
And now we're getting our butts kicked going up this little bump. It's a steep little bump. Whine, whine, whine. Yep, I'm counting that as climb 4. So no more just 3 climbs today. That was number 4. Whew. Nice little view from up here, though. And that's the way we are going.
I gave you that.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
I can hear you over my huffing and puffing.
That flattish guy out there is Tinker Mountain, and according to Melissa, that's one of the Virginia Triple Crown. So over the next couple days after our zero, we'll hit that and the Katahdin Knob and Dragon's Tooth, I guess, for the 3. Kind of neat. Okay, we are crossing under 81 yet again. I think we go back and forth under 81 at least 1 or 2 more times. So, this is exciting stuff. Nobody living under the bridge here. Alright, this is our end of day for day 135. So we did 11.2 miles, I think it was, from Wilson Creek Shelter. Climbed up Fullhardt Knob, which is actually a more climbing than I was anticipating for an 11.2 mile day. I guess I figured everything was going to be easy, but it was a big climb up to the top.
It's pretty steep.
Pretty steep.
And long.
And then from there we glided down into the town of Daleville. So, and then actually on the way to Daleville, we went over this little bump over like some pasture, and that was also a pain in the rear. It's like, hey, this is supposed to be an easy day, but all was good. Any highlights, lowlights?
You have a highlight. You hit a milestone.
Yeah, I hit 2/3 of the weight gone.
Yay.
So pretty excited about that. I did the taco pose on the sign. So all good. And then we're doing this this after
2 days
the fact.
later. Yesterday we took a zero in Daleville.
Yep. And
Which was awesome.
Yep.
We got to go out to breakfast with 2 folks I know from Virginia Tech. One was a doctoral student at UT where I work, and the other just a colleague for a long time. And so they came out and hung out with us for breakfast, which was really cool.
Yep. So great seeing them.
And it was our first 0 day in 3 weeks, so that was kind of nice to just to relax a little bit. And now we're back at it, and expect our next 0 day to be in another 2.5 weeks or so.
Yep. Okay. See ya.